The TerraFlex Master Cylinder with oversized bores, for those of you that have a 2007 and up JK, especially those of you that have a big brake kit or a multi-piston brake kit on your Jeep that need a master cylinder that's going to flow a little bit more fluid. Now, if you just have a factory brake kit on your Jeep, it's probably not necessary to install something like this. In fact, you may get a little bit of a weird pedal feel out of it, and it's not really going to give you dramatically increased braking power. However, if you have one of those kits that has either a larger bore on the caliper itself, so you need more fluid, or it has multiple pistons in that caliper, so you need more fluid, that's where this is going to come into play. This is going to be something that will install very easily onto your Jeep. Of course, you will be opening up that brake system, so you're going to have to do a brake bleed in order to get all of the air out of the system again. But if you have one of those kits, this is going to be a piece that you'll want to go with it to ensure that you're getting the maximum performance out of that big brake kit that you have installed. This master cylinder is going to bolt directly in place of your factory master cylinder, but as it says in the title, it's going to have a little bit of a bigger bore, so it's going to flow more fluid, about 14% more brake fluid. It's going to be aluminum with a plastic housing. It has a plug for your brake fluid sensor, so if you get low on fluid, your light's still going to come on. You're going to have all of your hookups to go out to all of your hard lines. So very much a factory replacement in the way that it fits and physically, but just that larger bore to move a little bit more fluid. This is an easy 1 out of 3 wrench installation, probably about an hour by the time you get the old one off, the new one in, and everything bled out. But like I said, very easy bolt-on install. Just unbolt your factory master cylinder, bolt this one into place. You'll of course have to remove all of your factory hard lines before unbolting that factory master, and then attach the hard lines to your new system. After swapping over the electrical plug for the brake fluid sensor, you'll fill up your new master cylinder and go through your brake bleeding process. This bigger master cylinder is going to run you right around $200, and while that is a pretty decent sum of money, if you spend even more than that on a big brake kit, a multi-piston caliper kit, and you need something like this to really get the most out of it, it is going to be something that is really a necessary evil, and you're going to be happy you purchased it because it is going to give you the most bang for your buck out of your big brake kit. So if you've installed a big brake kit on your Jeep, you need a master cylinder that's going to flow a little bit more fluid. I definitely recommend this option here from TerraFlex, and you can find it right here at extremeterrain.com.